These and all other managerial accounting problems can be found in Sarai's studies. The link is in the description box below. As always, skip everything, read the question first. They're asking what are the inventoriable costs per unit for toy AK124. Inventoriable cost really just means manufacturing costs. So pull up the chart. We have manufacturing costs are made up of direct material costs, direct labor costs, and manufacturing overhead costs. So we're looking at the manufacturing costs for this toy. Usually we say total, but in this case, because the costs that they give us are unit costs, we're going to say per unit manufacturing costs for this toy. So direct materials for that toy is $20. Direct labor for that toy is $15. Manufacturing overhead for that toy, well, it's made up of fixed and variable, so that's 10 and 5, that's $15. These costs are irrelevant because they have nothing to do with making the toy. This is office related, this is general expenses, this is sales related, this is distribution related. So none of these are manufacturing related, and so therefore they are not manufacturing costs. So if you add up these costs, you get a total of $50 in manufacturing costs per toy. So the inventoriable cost per unit for this specific toy is $50.